Hello students, in this video I explain important problems in applications of integrals. So first one, the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equals to sin x between the ordinates x is 0 to pi by 2 and the x-axis is the required area is equals to here we consider integral of 0 to pi by 2 y into dx. Here we consider modulus of the result is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2 modulus of sin x into dx. Integral of sin x is cos x. Here we consider whole term in the form or whole modulus of this result is equals to integral of sin x is here we consider minus cos x. Here we have modulus, here eliminate negative, here consider positive 0 to pi by 2 or we consider whole term minus of this result is equals to we get cos of 90 minus cos of 0 or you can eliminate this result cos c. Here we get cos of pi by 2 minus cos of 0. See, cos of 90 is 0 minus cos of 0 is 1. See, 0 minus 1 is 1 is equals to 1 square unit. 1 square unit is the required solution. Option D is correct. Next example, area of the region bounded by the curve y is equals to cos x. See, y is equals to cos x. Here we consider 0, this is pi by 2 pi. See here x varies 0 to pi. Here we have two reasons, positive, this is a negative downwards. Here we have to find area of this result. Now here consider required area is equals to integral of 0 to here consider pi by 2 positive pi by 2 cos x into dx plus integral of here pi by 2 to pi. Here we consider cos x modulus of this result or we consider whole term second term in modulus result. Next to integral of cos x is sin x plus see here 0 to pi by 2 integral of cos x is sin x here also pi by 2 to pi modulus result. Next sin of 90 minus sin of 0. Sin of 90 is 1 minus sin of 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 plus second term. Here we consider sin pi. Here sin pi is 0. So, sin pi is 0 minus sin of 90 is 1. But this result is modulus. See here 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 modulus, we get plus 1 is equals to 2 square units. 2 square units, this is x-axis, this is the y-axis. Here we get 2 square units. Option A is correct. So here we have area of the region bounded by the curve y is equals to x square. See, y is equals to x square or x square is equals to 4ay, means it is a parabola. It was upwards here then and the line y is equals to 16 and the line y is equals to 16. Now here we have to find area of this region. See here that is origin 0, 0, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. See y is equals to x square and the line y is equals to 16. Now here required area is equals to here we consider here we have two parts. First part, this is second part. Here we consider twice of integral of 0 to 16. Integral of 0 to here we consider 16 x into dy. See y varies 0 to 16 x into dy. See here we have the result y is equals to x square y is equals to x square. This implies x equals to root of y. Now here twice of integral of 0 to 16 x written as root of y into dy. Integral of root x form means a y to the power 1 by 2. This result can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. We can write directly this result is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Reciprocal form into 2. Here 0 to 16 is 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3. Upper limit is 16, lower limit is 0. 16 to the power 3 by 2 minus 0. Here we get 16 to the power 3 by 2 is equals to 4 by 3 into. Here we have 1 by 2 whole to the power 3. Root of 16, 4. 4 to the power 3. This result is 16. 4. See, this result is equals to 4 into 64 is 256 divided by 3 square units. 256 divided by 3 square units. Option B is correct. So here we have the area of the y-axis, y is equals to cos x, another one is y is equals to sin x. So now here cos x result, here we consider form cos, see this is sign notation form, cos is, this is 0 to, here we consider this result, here 0 to, here we consider 0 to 90 degree, 90 to 180. See here, this is cos, this is sine. Here intersection of these two curves, here we get this region is 0 comma pi by 4. This point we consider. See here pi by 4, this is 0, this is pi by 2, here we consider 3 pi by 2 and this is pi. Now here we consider x where is 0 to pi by 2. So this result, here we have two curve results, cos x is sine, cos x and sin x result. Now here required area is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 4. Here we consider cos x into dx minus integral of 0 to pi by 4 sin x into dx. So now here integrate this result. Integral of cos x is sin x. Then integral of sin x is minus cos x, minus into minus plus cos x. Here the limits are the same. Here we consider 0 to pi by 4, combine this result. Next, upper limit is pi by 4. Sin of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus cos of pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2 minus of sin of 0 is 0, cos of 0 is cos of 0 is 1. Here we get minus 1. See here, take LCM is root 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 1. This implies here 2 can be done as root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 gets cancelled. We get root 2 minus 1 is the required solution for this result. Option B is correct. See here we have the result 0, 1 form. See here x-axis result, this is y-axis. Here this curve is sine curve. See here sine curve, when we get x is 0 we get this point. See here in this plane sine wave and cos wave intersect this point 1 pi by 4 comma pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 form. So now here we consider required area is equals to cos x minus sin x. Here integral of cos is sine is minus cos x, minus into minus plus cos x. Apply limits, we get 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is 2 divided by root 2. Sin of 0 is 0, cos of 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Here we have negative sign minus 1. 2 can run as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. We get root 2. Root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Option B is right. So here the area between the curves y is equals to 2x minus x square, and the x-axis is on the x-axis means y is equals to 0. See, y is equals to 0 means this result also becomes to 0. 2x minus x square is equals to 0. This implies we can take common is x. X of 2 minus x is 0. This implies x is 0 or 2 minus x equals to 0 means x equals to 2. 0 comma 2. Now here we have to find area of this curve results. So now here a is equals to integral of 0 to 2 y into dx is equals to y is, here we consider 2x minus x square, integral of 0 to 2 2x minus x square into dx. See, integral of 0 to 2, integral of this result 2 into the integral of x is x square by 2 minus integral of x square is x cube by 3 into 0 to 2. Next, here 2 gets cancelled, is equals to a is equals to upper limit is 2. Substitute in the place of x is 2. 2 square, then substitute minus 2 cube divided by 3 minus 0 minus 0. Next, simplification of this result. 2 square is 4 minus 2 to the power 3, 8 divided by 3. Next, simplify the result. Take LCM is 3 of 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 8 is equals to 4 divided by 3. Value of E, area is equals to 4 by 3. Now observe options. See here mixed fractions are given. Now here we have 4 by 3. 4 by 3 can also be written as 3 ones are 3. Here we get 1 by 3. 3 into 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 3. This result is also is equals to 1 by 3. Mixed fraction. Option B is correct. See here we have the area bounded by y is equals to x square minus 7x plus 10 and the x-axis. By data x-axis means y is equals to 0. This implies x square minus 7x plus 10 is equals to 0. Now here we have to find factors of this equation. See, factors of this equation can be written as, here we have coefficient of x square is 1, constant term is 10. 10 can be written as 5 2s are 10. Here add this result minus 5 minus 2 here is minus 7. X square minus 2x minus 5x plus 10 is equals to 0. Here we consider x minus 2, another one is take minus 5. Here x is 2 comma 5. X is 2, x is 5. Now here area is equals to integral of, here we consider 2 to 5, x varies 2 to 5 y into dx is equals to 2 to 5, y is x square minus 7x plus 10 into dx. See now here, simplify the result. See this value is equals to integral of this x square is x cube by 3 minus 7x square by 2 plus 10x is 2 to 5. See, upper limit is 5, lower limit is 2. Next, simplify the result. A is equals to, substitute upper limit, x is 5. This result becomes, here we get 125 divided by 3 minus 5 square 25. 25 into 7, 175. 175 divided by 2 plus 10 into 5 is 50 minus remaining value. So substitute in the place of x is 2. X is to 2 cube 8 divided by 3 minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 7 28 divided by 2 plus 10 into 2 is 20. Next simplification of this result we get old term 117 divided by 3 minus 147 divided by 2 plus 30. Next, this result is equals to, see here 125 divided by 3 minus 8 by 3, we get 117 divided by 3. Next, 1 minus 175 divided by 2, minus into minus plus, here subtraction of the result we get 147 divided by 2, 50 minus 20 is 30. Next, take LCM of this result, we consider the result, finally we get the result minus 9 by 2. See, minus 9 by 2, area is always positive. We consider modulus form is equals to 9 divided by 2. Option C is correct. So here we have the area bounded by y square is equals to x cube. The y axis means x is 0 form. The lines y is 1 and y is equals to 2. Now here y varies, y is equals to 1 to 1. The required area is equals to y is equals to 1 to 2. Then x into dy. X into dy is equals to, here we consider y to the power 2 by 3 means y square is equals to x cube. This implies x equals to y to the power 2 by 3. So now here this result can be done as integral of 1 to 2 y to the power 2 by 3 into dy. Integral of y to the power 2 by 3 is y to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 is 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3, or this result can be done as 3 by 5, 1 to 2. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. 3 by 5 of 2 to the power 5 by 3 minus 1 to the power 5 by 3 is equals to 3 divided by 5, 2 to the power of 5 by 3 minus 1 is the required solution. Area of this result, option D is correct. So here we have the area bounded by y is equals to sine cube x between x is 0 and pi by 2. See here we have sine cube formula. Sine cube of x is equals to sine to the power 3 is equals to 1 by 4 of 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Here sine cube x formula. Now here consider, here we have to evaluate this result. Area is equals to 1 by 4 of, here we have the result. See here we have y is equals to y into dx form, y into dx. Here limit x is 0 to pi by 2. Here we consider 0 to pi by 2, y is sine cube x into dx. Now here we substitute a sine cube x is equals to this term. A is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 4 of 3 sin x minus sin 3x into dx. See, is equals to 1 by 4 of 3 sin x, 3 into integral of sin x is, here we consider cos x. Next, minus sin 3x is 3 sin x. Here derivative integral of sin 3x, 3 into integral of sin x is minus, here minus 3 cos x minus integral of sin 3x is minus into minus plus cos 3x divided by 3 is 0 to pi by 2. Next, 1 by 4 of, substitute upper limit is pi by 2, minus 3 cos of 90 is 0 plus cos of, here also we get 0 divided by 3 is 0. See, this term vanishes. Next, minus of, see, cos of 0 is 1, minus 3, here also we get plus 1 by 3. See, simplification of the result is equals to 1 by 4 of, see, minus, here we have minus 1 by 4 of 3 into 3, minus 9 plus 1 divided by 3 is equals to minus 1 by 4 of minus 8 by 3. See, minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 divided by 3 is area is equals to 2 by 3. Option C is correct. So here we have area bounded by one arc of y is equals to sine 4x, x-axis. X-axis means y is equals to 0. This implies sine 4x is equals to 0. See, sine 4x is equals to 0. 4x is equals to n pi. See, 4x is equals to n pi. Therefore, curve cuts x-axis at x is 0 and x is equals to pi by 4. X is equals to pi by 4. By putting n is, see, by putting n is equals to 0, we get x is 0. N is equals to 1, we get x is equals to pi by 4. Next step, therefore area is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 4 sine 4x into dx. Integral of sine 4x is minus cos 4x divided by 4, 0 to pi by 4. Upper limit is pi by 4 is equals to minus 1 by 4 of, say, cos of 4 into pi by 4. 4 gets cancelled. Cos of pi, here we get cos of pi is minus 1 minus cos of 0 is 1. See here, minus 1 is minus 2 into minus, here we get plus 2 divided by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. Option A is correct. See, area bounded by x is 1, x is 3. Here we have curves. Y is equals to 3xy and another one is y is equals to x square for result. Now here, required area is equals to required area A is, here we consider x is 1, 2, 3. Here we have y is equals to 3x, another one is y is equals to x square, 3x minus x square into dx. Now here, integral of 3x minus x square, 3 into integral of x is x square by 2 minus x cube by 3, 1 to 3. Next, 3 by 2 into, upper limit is 3, 3 square is 9 minus 1 by 3, x is 3, 3 cube, 27, close bracket, minus of x is 1, lower limit value, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So now here, simplification of this result. Here we get 27 divided by 2 minus 27 divided by 3. Next, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now simplification of this result. Here we can take LCM is 6 here and here also 6. Here minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Take LCM is 6. Right here. 6 is LCM. 2 3s are. Here very simple form here. We have 27, here also 27. Take common is 27. See here, here we can take LCM is 6 here. Individually I consider. Here 3 minus 2 is 1. 27 divided by 6. Next to here we have 2, 3, 6 is LCM. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 minus 7. See here 27 minus 7 is 20 divided by 6 is equals to 2 3s are 2 10s are 10 by 3 is required area. A is equals to 10 by 3. Option C is correct. Okay, thank you students. Continue next video.